Oh, just a quick video about fixing something because you probably are too tight to buy a new one. Here's my pencil, brand new. Well, let's just say it's never been sharpened. It's got a crack in it. I ain't got to sharpen it up yet. I said, now what in the world could I do to tape it up, make it better? And so I've tried tape before. What happens is there's not enough strength there to keep it together. So I found a straw. Sometimes I get extra straws. You never know when you get a cracked one. Cracked straws don't draw up very well. So this one just happens to be the right diameter for what I'm doing here. So, as you can see, it just slides right over. I didn't even try to straighten out the crack in it. Just slide it all the way down to the bottom. Find the end of it right here with your finger. Cut that off so you can see it. And then I'd say pull it back, expose a little bit of the pencil like that, so that you can have enough to sharpen with your sharpener, and then push it back down. And then you can sharpen it up and make it usable.